Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create a new group on Facebook. So if you want to create a group on Facebook, then this video is absolutely for you. And also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you'll get the informative videos every day. So without wasting time, let's get inside my Facebook and I'm gonna show you how to create a group on your Facebook. So now here, this is my account, and then you have to click on this three days on the top right of your screen. So let me just click on this three days, and then you can see here you will find this interface. So now what you have to do, you have to click on this option, group option. So after clicking to this option, group option, you will find an option, your groups. So guys, what you have to do, you can click on your groups option here, and then here you can see this will be the option here. So if you want to create a new group, what you have to do, you have to click on this create option on the top right of your screen. So just click here, and then you can see here you will find this interface here. So if first of all, you have to give your group name here. So let me just give my group name and DOM. Okay, so this is my group name. So what if you want to add a cover photo on your group, then you have to click on this this option. So I won't keep but it's an optional, so let me just click on create a group. So creating group option, you can see here, this is something cool. And let's wait for a second. And guys, you can see here you can invite from this lots of friends, and then just click on done option here, and then your group has been created. So guys, if you want to upload a picture, then you can upload from here, and if you can see here, you can go live, you can comment, and also this is your group. So guys, I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.